Good morning, my name is Kamila Walters. I'm here on behalf of the University of Brighton as a part of the extension of the project on sustainability toolkit and the outcomes of the previous workshop which David was talking about. We're currently running a project called a food waste project, which is all about reducing food waste in restaurants. Now, the interest is really a twofold. It's environmental sustainability, but also a financial sustainability, as my background is in supply chain and operations. Now, I won't take you through that. I'm just want to talk a little bit about the project, as I only have 5 minutes. Yeah, keep it short. It's very hot. So the idea is that in the pilot phase, we are working with restaurants. So we're still looking for the partners. So if you're interested in partnering with us on that project, the idea is collecting waste. So you collect the waste which you have at different places in the process: prep waste, plate waste, obsolete, anything which goes into your waste food waste bin. Then we will analyze the data. It's only like we're asking for about 4 days of data collection. Then we analyze the data and try to personalize intervention which will reduce your food waste potentially. Then you will implement that intervention so we can analyze how this actually affects your business in the way of reducing the food waste. So the interventions will be different. Each restaurant is different, so we will try to personalize intervention which we think that will give you the most benefit in a short time. However, the outcome of the project will be very similar to the sustainability toolkit. So you will get the access to the interventions, potential ideas for reducing the food waste within your business at every stage. But we're starting, as we all about circular economy, is prevent first. So this is what we try and say: don't get too much in the first place. So what you need, redistribute, so reuse, and then redistribute and recycle. That's probably the last bit. This is a little bit about options for reducing in the kitchen, inside the restaurant, rather than before or after. Some of these ideas, but there will be a bank of intervention which you can access as the output of this project. And as I said, we are still looking for volunteers, participants. So yeah. So if you interested, I will be around. Contact me or my colleague Francesca, who is working on this project with me as well. Thank you. I think that's this is. You will get the slides.
Yeah, we'll
yes?
share the slides.
We'll share the slides. So there is the also a little bit there.